Students, today I am taking the point how the National Assembly was formed. You know that Louis XVI wanted to increase taxes to meet the expenses of the administration and for other purposes. But the meet the he himself could not increase the taxes. It was in the hands of the States General to pass the resolution to increase the taxes. For that purpose, in 1789, he called its meeting. All the three states sent their representatives for the States General. It was a legislative body. First and second states sent 300 representatives each for the States General, whereas the third state sent 600 representatives. For convening the meeting, a shining hall was prepared in Versailles to welcome the delegates of the States General. This time, the meeting of the States General was called for the purpose of increasing the taxes. When the meeting was called, there was a system of sitting in the hall. All the 600 members of the first and second state were seated in rows facing to each other, while the 600 members of the third state had to stand up behind them. The peasants, artisans had no right, even women had no right to participate, to be the representatives of the States General. It was represented by the richer sections of the society. Only those had to be representative who paid taxes to the government, to the church. Although these sections of society were not represented, even then their demands were listed uh, too much, and their demands were put forward as a resolution to pass out. But in the meeting, the States General voting process was too short. Each state had one vote to cast, means first and second state cast collectively two votes, whereas 600 members of the third state had only a single vote. It was a type of discrimination to pass any resolution by the first and second state in their favor, whatever they liked. This time, the third state members demanded from the king to pass the resolution by the majority of the members, but this proposal was not accepted by the king. The result was that all the 600 members of the third state walked out of the States General. They went into an indoor tennis court hall. There they declared themselves as National Assembly and took oath that they would not leave this place until they made a constitution for the nation and restrict the powers of the monarch. They viewed themselves as the representatives of the whole nation. In this way, Constitution 1791 was prepared by the National Assembly. The king was ready to reduce his powers, and National Assembly was considered a valid legislature for the nation. Thanks for today. That's all.